withdrawing money from ProtonMail to your bank account involves a few straightforward steps. Follow this guide to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your ProtonMail account. Access your ProtonMail account by entering your credentials on the official website or app. Ensure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to the Payments section. Once logged in, locate the Payment or Billing section within your account settings. This area typically contains options related to your subscriptions and any available balance. Step 3. Select Withdrawal option. In the Payments section, look for an option to withdraw funds. Click on it to initiate the withdrawal process. You may need to verify your identity or account details at this stage. Step 4. Enter bank account details. Provide the necessary information for your bank account, including the account number and routing number. Double-check the information to avoid any errors that could delay the transaction. Step 5. Confirm and submit your withdrawal. Review all the details you have entered, and if everything is correct, submit your withdrawal request. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your request is being processed. After completing these steps, keep an eye on your bank account for the funds to appear. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to ProtonMail support for assistance.